Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very interesting topic on do you really need premium fuel? Imagine you're at the gas station. To your left, regular fuel. To your right, premium, with shiny labels promising maximum performance, extra cleaning power, and engine protection. The price difference? Noticeable. But here's the real question. Do you actually need premium fuel, or are you just paying extra for marketing? Let's break it down like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when premium is worth every drop and when it's just money down the drain. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So let's begin. What makes premium premium? The main difference between regular and premium fuel lies in the octane rating. Regular, typically 87 octane. Premium, usually 91 to 93 octane depending on the region. Octane isn't about power, it's about resistance to knock, also called pre-ignition. Knock happens when the air-fuel mixture ignites too early in the engine's combustion chamber. This can cause rattling sounds, power loss, and over time, serious engine damage. Higher octane fuels can withstand more pressure before igniting. That's why high-performance engines with higher compression ratios or turbochargers require premium to run properly. Modern engines are smarter than you think. Many modern engines have knock sensors and advanced ignition systems. If you accidentally use regular instead of premium, these systems detect knock and adjust ignition timing to protect the engine. That means your car won't blow up or stall on the spot, but you will lose performance and efficiency. When premium is absolutely necessary. High performance or high compression engines. Sports cars, performance sedans, and certain luxury vehicles often have high compression ratios. Turbocharged or supercharged engines. Forced induction packs more air into the cylinders, increasing pressure. Premium fuel ensures clean, controlled combustion and prevents damaging detonation. When the manufacturer says premium required, this one's simple. If your owner manual says premium is required, use it. Regular fuel could lead to engine damage over time, void warranties, or cause costly repairs. When premium is mostly optional. Here's the good news. Many everyday cars are engineered to run perfectly on regular fuel. When a manufacturer says premium is recommended, it usually means you might see slightly better performance or fuel economy with premium. The difference is often very small in normal driving conditions. In fact, independent studies have shown that for most non-performance vehicles, switching from regular to premium results in no significant increase in power or MPG. The cost factor. Premium fuel usually costs about 50 cents to $1 more per gallon than regular in the US. Let's say you fill a 15-gallon tank once a week. If premium costs 75 cents more per gallon, that's 0.75 times 15 gallons equals $11.25 more per fill-up. Over 52 weeks, 1 year, that's $11.25 times 52. That's $585 extra annually. That's hundreds of dollars that could be spent on maintenance, performance upgrades, or, let's be honest, a nice weekend road trip. Now pause for a second. If you're enjoying the video so far, why don't you subscribe, like, and share the video? It really helps the channel to grow. So let's begin. Real-world rule of thumb. Use premium if your manual says premium required. If you drive a turbocharged, supercharged, or high-compression engine. If you drive aggressively, tow heavy loads, or hit the track often. Regular is fine if your manual says regular is acceptable and premium is only recommended. If you do normal city or highway driving, if you're looking to save money without hurting reliability. Final verdict. Premium fuel isn't a magical horsepower booster for every car. It's a specific tool meant for specific engines. If your engine needs it, use it. It's cheaper than repairs. If it doesn't, regular fuel is just fine, and your wallet will thank you.
The next time you're at the pump, look at your owner's manual. Think about your driving style
and make the smart choice, not just the expensive one. Because sometimes premium doesn't mean better, it just means pricier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.